Hey, ever found yourself knee-deep in a Trello board, cards flying, deadlines looming, and wished you could just quickly chat with your team right there without having to jump to another app? You're not alone. That brings us to today's burning question. Does Trello have messaging? Think about it. You're managing a complex project. Sarah's assigned to design the new landing page, John's tackling the back-end development, and you're coordinating content creation with Emily. A question pops up about the hero image dimensions. Do you Slack Sarah? Email her? Maybe even try to catch her on a call? All those context switches can really break your flow, can't they? It's like trying to juggle flaming torches while riding a unicycle. Impressive, maybe, but definitely not the most efficient way to get things done. For years, Trello has been the go-to visual collaboration tool for teams of all sizes. Its intuitive drag-and-drop interface, the flexibility of lists and cards, and the power of integrations have made it a staple in project management workflows. We organize tasks, track progress, assign responsibilities, and generally keep our collective sanity intact, all within those neatly arranged boards. But as our work becomes increasingly interconnected and fast-paced, the need for seamless communication within our project management tools becomes more and more apparent. We want to discuss details, clarify doubts, and provide quick updates without leaving the context of the task at hand. This is where the question of native messaging in Trello really hits home. Wouldn't it be amazing to just fire off a quick message to Sarah right within her design card, keeping all the relevant conversation tied directly to the task? So, let's dive into the heart of the matter. Does Trello, in its core functionality, offer a direct, built-in messaging feature like you might find in Slack, Microsoft Teams, or even some other project management platforms? The short answer, and perhaps a slightly disappointing one for some, is no. Trello does not have a dedicated, real-time direct messaging system in the way you might be imagining. You won't find an inbox or a chat window within Trello where you can have ongoing, free-flowing conversations with your team members outside the context of specific cards. However, that's not the whole story. While Trello doesn't have a separate messaging feature, it does offer several ways for teams to communicate and collaborate directly within the platform, albeit in a more context-driven manner. Think of it less like a general chat room and more like task-specific discussions. The primary way Trello facilitates communication is through the comments section within each card. This is where the magic happens when it comes to discussing specific tasks and providing feedback. You can open any card and find a space to leave comments, ask questions, provide updates, and generally discuss anything related to that particular task. This comment functionality is quite robust. You can tag team members using the @ symbol, which will send them a notification, ensuring they don't miss your message. This is crucial for directing specific questions or information to the right person. Attach files and images directly to your comments, providing visual context or necessary documents for the discussion. Need to share a revised design? Just drag and drop it into the comment. Use Markdown formatting to structure your comments, making them easier to read and understand. You can use bold text, bullet points, and other simple formatting options. See a chronological history of all the discussions related to that card, providing a clear audit trail of decisions and progress. Think of these card comments as mini communication hubs dedicated to each individual task. They keep the conversation focused and directly linked to the work being done. This can be incredibly beneficial for maintaining context and avoiding the scattered nature of conversations that can sometimes happen across multiple messaging platforms. Beyond comments, Trello also offers other features that indirectly facilitate communication and collaboration. Activity log. This provides a running record of all actions taken on a board, including who did what and when. While not a direct messaging tool, it helps keep everyone informed about the progress and changes being made. Card descriptions. These allow you to provide detailed information about a task, reducing the need for repetitive questions. A well-written description can preemptively answer many common queries. Checklists. These enable you to break down larger tasks into smaller, actionable steps and assign them to different team members. This clarifies responsibilities and progress without needing extensive back and forth. Due dates and reminders. Setting clear deadlines and reminders ensures everyone is on the same page regarding timelines, minimizing the need for constant check-ins. However, let's be honest. While these features are incredibly useful for task-specific communication, they don't quite replicate the spontaneity and ease of a dedicated messaging platform. Sometimes you just need to ask a quick, general question to the team or have a brainstorming session that isn't tied to a specific card. In these scenarios, the lack of native, board-level, or direct messaging in Trello can feel like a limitation. This is where Trello's strength in integrations comes into play. Recognizing that native messaging might not be its core focus, Trello seamlessly integrates with a wide array of popular communication and collaboration tools. This allows you to connect your Trello boards with platforms like Slack. You can set up integrations to receive notifications about Trello activity directly in your Slack channels, create Trello cards from Slack messages, and even preview Trello cards within Slack. This bridges the gap between project management and real-time team communication. Microsoft Teams. Similar to Slack, Trello offers integrations with Microsoft Teams, allowing you to stay updated on Trello board activity within your Teams channels and collaborate more effectively. Google Workspace, Hangouts/chat integrations with Google Suite allow for notifications and other collaborative workflows between Trello and your Google communication tools. Other project management and communication tools. The Trello Power-Up ecosystem is vast, offering integrations with countless other apps that might include messaging or enhanced communication features. By leveraging these integrations, you can essentially bring the messaging capabilities you need into your Trello workflow, even if it's not directly built in. For example, you could have a dedicated Slack channel for general discussions related to a specific Trello project, while keeping the card comments focused on the specifics of each task. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.